National Tribal Film Festival Kare Manipurli Mokok Mirada Chishathaira. Shorkar Otpom Kuida Leilaka Private Practice Sagapam Mamaya Marada Rims Authority Li KCP Taipangba Group na Hangmatin Haira. Lake Yangator, Tangkhul Express Pvt Pau Rinyaophi Mahak Ningshen in a Pamidale. Pau Bing May Saina Nanang Rumsa. National Tribal Film Festival Kare Manipurli Mokok Mirada Chishathaira. Tribal Frames Manipur National Tribal Film Festival da Paniji Rakara Ngapei Tarik Chishat in Hapokta Trada Akain Tangda Imfali Rumira Dalei. National Tribal Film Paniji TRI na Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS Kala Ministry of Tribal Affairs Government of India Lingshikta Janjadiya Gaurav Versh Kamyon Akaya Kasada Makok Miki Kachina. He non-competitive festival sada tribal teams link ngasunda otkasa filmmakers, animators kala storyteller pingli apong kami kasana. India with tribal community pingwe achon kharjan kala vision chidhei kami film li kadom kami kasana dahanga. English subtitles kazang tribal language film saikorali panichi wuivang misang paya. Ka eligibility 2020 Therau Tarik Akha Witili release kasa film Pingmang Kwisangra. Short kala feature length format kanini misang paira dahanga. Panichiri documentaries, fiction kala animation zangda tribal community li khangasun kharchan saikorali mipaya. Ning kasang filmmaker pingna digital screening link maningaka file link soda title bio, year of production, duration, language, contact information, hikatha details, mikhavai, hotnara. Film mikasang tatraha kachang hiwitarik magana khanawa zimikshong sara. Kala chili kapang kakui participant pingli tarik magada pangawe lungli pau mira. Kapang kui kahai filmmakers pingwi travel kala hospitality expenses cover samira da hanga. Tribal film panithi dialogue cultural exchange kala cinema aina dam gakwili kagatom khamataya phaikar ngasara da hanga. India with contemporary media landscape li tribal perspective chithei khami apong ngasara da hanga. Shorkar otpam kuida leilaka private practice sagabam mamaya marada rims with Dr. Bingli proscribed Gangleipak Communist Party KCP Taibangan ba group na hangmatin shokhaira. He maleilak eina Regional Institute of Medical Science Rims Imphal with Dr. Bingli hang kamatin shokta outfit with publicity secretary Salangamba maintain a statement mikashok IT pau sampanga. Private practice takta makhangasam Dr. Bingli serious physical action kuirada hangmatin haira. Jitada sada khalei Ping party jili voluntarily hamsang kavai outfit china atam nihaira. Director of RIMS Dr. G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Medical Superintendent MS Lila Hang Matinda, Chikatha Dr. Bingli takta disciplinary action kwikavai hanghaira. Jim Saka party china directly yang sanghaura da hanghaira. National People's Party NPP National President Kala Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma Aji Imphal Ungrada Lei. Meghalaya CMG katomtheilak Manipur Kala Nagaland Ungida Khalei. Sangma na NPP Kathana Bing Community Minginin Bing Kala Civil Society Members Bingli Ngasan Mangrada Pau Sampanga. Analyst Wethishuda Konghi NPP we alungli Ninka Krik Khalei Maramla Yang Sang Lapai. ID Bao Thishuda, NBP State President Yumnang Choi Kumar Singh Nahanga Kaji, NBP MLA Akha, BJP MLA Bingwi, Delhi Gam Chili Party Wikamyama Zangla Vazang Hawa. Manipur Popular Shorkar Sam Kavai Kapoling Asundam, Central Shorkar Akoka Bingli, Sampang Kavai, Delhi Li, Pam the Khalei BJP MLA Bingjili, Vakazangji, Party Chiwikamya, Zangda Kasamaning Mana Kala, Jina Party we position represent Masamanada Turkmi Shokachi. Arunachal Pradesh Central Shorkar na commercial coal mining operation launch Sahira. Hina state chili legal auctioned full-scale commercial operation Karesada economic kala industrial thotrinjan li khamataya khangache ragapai ngasaya. Project wuivang so kami poka kui hortang Union Minister for Coal and Mines G Kishan Reddy Nathanda Bhumi Bhujan ceremony kuika haira. Ang ranang ji Namjik Nampuk Gold Block Changlang District li kuikaya. Namjik Nampuk Gold Block Chili Reserve 1.5 crore dons shika zanga da hanga. Reserve 2003 li thekui kahaina ka administrative, environmental kala logistical kahop leda ot masala rahaira kasana. 2022 kum transparent auctioned sada ara project chi eina state shokarli estimated luba 100 crore annual revenue ungzangrada jihandale. Union Ministry of Coal and Mine Nagahang project china energy security gala industrial expansion mang maningla unregulated extraction camera coal extraction project china direct kala indirect employment abong piramida local communities kala mining supply chain li kangasun small scale industries li kapha mirada hanga. Namjik Nampuk launch hi Northeast India wi mineral land explore sakavai center we khamaya kangaran akaya kanada hangdale. Gold mining projects Arunachal Pradesh li additional flocks khani kala Assam li phanga auction process li zaddale da hanga. Ministry of Education na Ministry of Health and Family Welfare li ngashigda Tobago Free Youth Campaign 3.0 TFYC 3.0 aju hapokawra. Campaign kagathuma china Tobago Free Learning Environment li kagatom kala khanuithot rechumnao bingwe health ngak khami ningrin ina kasana da hanga. Tobago shigajin hi khabataya public health challenge ngasaya. India li kum kali Tobago we na mi lak trada kathum kada tia da hanga. Global Youth Tobago Survey GYTS 2019 na thishuda zingkum trada kathum ina trada phangawelung li khalei thuipop katam naw ngajaili 8.4% na Tobago products shijindale. Kala Tobago shijin kapok average initiation age zingkum tharana ina how kapok kachi. Kanuithot sadza pailak ina khalei thailaga sarkarna awareness prevention kala enforcement measures khira khawai kasana da hanga. TFYC 3.0 hi zimiksho hangtruk zadwara. National campaign jili national ping kala khanuithot li Tobago Singapore prevent sakhawai kala Singpok hauda kham khangai bingli katom mikhavai worship bingli health and wellness ngashan lengsa khawai kasana da hanga. Nagaland li brown sugar phungwau kita zatkasami khanili central kala state police with special operation team SOT na tukui haira. Myanmar weina kashok na da kahang contraband brown sugar ji solve cases tharali shaksada phungzat kasana ji. Shoktang flash operation is suspected truck peddlers khanili tukui haira kala brown sugar 150 grams kuimi haira. Operation G Special Operation Team Sanapati P109 CRPF kala Maram Police Station with Dimzangda NH 102 Kabinam Village li Khavana. Nishari Zangkasa Kariji Zinkum 26 M Leo Shiru Tingkai Koland DNK Village Wimina Tauzat Kasana. Kala Alinga Soda Zinkum 28 Taungau Paibung Kunau Village Wimi Zatsai. Ani kanini Sanabadi District Wimina. Tukui Gahai wuivang Maram Police Station na NDNPS Act 1985 Ajingli regular case Thasanghaira. Manipur Police kala Central Force na Interstate Drug Syndicate Kamkuida mi khanili tukui haira. Police official na kahang syndicate wi Chanbao Sampangda NH 102 Shekmai Imphal West District Shong Operation Khavana. Police na phong kami bawa tishuda tarik shni thang tukui gahai ji akana zingkum 26 Ramjand Ahmed Lashkar Dakshin Gajundaram village Jajar district Assam Wimi kala Akhana Tainem village Ukrul district Wimi Zingum 38 Mirin Shing Lunghar Hoyachi Awang Sheikh Maili operation Kava Chili Bag Gatumli contraband ganja to 26.470 kilograms Sampangachi Nishari Ji Imphal East kala Ukrul district wi ina source kasana Kalaji Assam Shong Kuivau Kida Lekasana the Hanga. Suspect Kani Jili Narcotic Affairs and Physiotrophic Substance Amendment Act 2023 was Zingli Puksaira. To quick high contraband Kalami Kaniji Shekmai Police Station ni Misang Haira the Hanga. Let Luida Ajiwi Kamataya Pau Ping. National Tribal Film Festival Kare Manipuri Mokhok Mirada Chishathair. Shorkar Otpom Kuida Leilaka Private Practice Sagapam Mamaya Marada Rims Authority Li KCP Taipangba Group na Hangmatin Haira. Ajiwi Pau Hilinga Jang Haira. Pao nga natak lay Nathum saikorali ringa pa kalakam hai simikshong sa serin.